sorry, Mr. Aziz. There was a disturbance.
Pizza time.
If you're late, I'm not paying for those.
You're fired. Go. Please, I need this job. You're fired. Give me another chance.
Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа. И все твои
Miss Mary Jane Watson just agreed to marry me.
пустота.
Parker, wake up! Wake up! Shoot the picture!